Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your side parking light, or for the Japanese model is a signal light. All you need is a flat screwdriver. You need to push the lever inside here, but I will show you clearly using my camera. I'll post it on my Instagram so you can check it out. But you have to push it until the pin, until you can push out the signal cover. There you go. So all you need to do is just push it, this metal thing, and it will come out. It's a bit hard, so you have to be patient. The next step is you have to twist this thing anti-clockwise, and you can see the bulb. I already did the other side. Now I just need to do this side. So all you need to do is just change the bulb, just take out and put it back. And before you put the cover, you need to test is the light okay and turn on. Just turn on the hazard light, because my Gtr is a Japan spec, so it acts like a signal, but I changed it to white color so it doesn't matter. So this one is working. All you need to do is just put it back. And make sure it clips inside back. And there you go. That's how you change the side parking light, or for the US model is the city light. For the Japan is the is the signal light. Thank you for watching.